Let's talk about business information. The objective of this section is to examine how information can reduce risk when making a decision. Information is one of the 4 major resources managers must have to operate a business, along with material, human, and financial resources. To improve the decision-making process and reduce risk, the information used by individuals and business firms must be relevant or useful to meet a specific need. Better intelligence and knowledge that lead to better decisions are especially important because they can provide a competitive edge and improve a firm's profits. Theoretically, with accurate and complete information, there is no risk. On the other hand, a decision made without any information is a gamble. For the most part, business decision makers see themselves located someplace between these extremes. As illustrated in Figure 15.1, when the amount of available information is high, there is less risk. When the amount of available information is low, there is more risk. Information, when understood properly, produces knowledge and empowers managers and employees to make better decisions. An information rule emerges when research confirms the same results each time that it studies the same or a similar set of circumstances. Business people try to accumulate information rules to shorten the time they spend analyzing choices. Information rules are the great simplifiers for all decision makers. Business research is continuously looking for new rules that can be put to good use and discredit old ones that are no longer valid. Many people use the terms data and information interchangeably, but the two differ in important ways. Data are numerical or verbal descriptions that usually result from some sort of measurement. Information is data presented in a form that is useful for a specific purpose. For a manager, information presented in a practical, useful form, such as a graph, simplifies the decision-making process. The average company maintains a great deal of data that can be transformed into information. A database is a single collection of data and information stored in one place that can be used by people throughout an organization to make decisions. Although databases are important, the way the data and information are used is even more valuable to a firm. As a result, management information experts now use the term knowledge management, or KM, to describe a firm's procedures for generating, using, and sharing the data and information. Several different software applications can actually help to improve and speed the decision-making process for people at different levels within an organization. A decision support system, or DSS, is a type of software program that provides relevant data and information to help a firm's employees make decisions. It can also be used to determine the effect of changing different variables and to answer what-if questions. An expert system is a type of computer program that uses artificial intelligence to imitate a human's ability to think. An expert system uses a set of rules that analyze information supplied by a user about a particular activity or problem. Based on the information supplied, the expert system then provides recommendations or suggests specific actions to help make decisions. Early software typically performed a single function. Today, however, integrated software combines many functions in a single package. Integrated packages allow for easy linking of text, numerical data, graphs, photographs, and video clips. Integration offers other benefits. Once data have been entered into an application in an integrated package, the data can be used in another integrated package without having to re-enter the data. In addition, once a user learns one application, it is much easier to learn another application in an integrated package.